everybody, Vegas right along here. Today is Monday. It's Monday, January 20th. It's 7:08 a.m. I got an offer from Uber Eats to go to Pink Box. I'm gonna get $7 for 1.7 miles. The traffic's really light because today's MLK Day, so there's hardly anybody on the road. All right, let's park it and go on in and get that Pink Box. Just 0.7 miles. It's a meet at the door, and it looks like it's a business, I think. Like we're going to be going to the a veterinarian office. I got an offer from Uber Eats to go to Sprouts and shop for 17 items. I'm going to get $13.67 for 3 miles. It took 26 minutes to shop for all this stuff. Load it up. Well, I think it's been about a little over 30 minutes, so it is, I mean, it's worth it, I guess, for the $13, but I generally don't like to do this many items for this amount of money, but whatever. It's early in the morning and it's slow right now, so I just figured why not. The miles were low. 5 minutes, 2-mile drive. It's a leave at the door and it's a house. Please note the address and leave on the bench and ring the doorbell. Right here. All right, let's drop it off. Alright, that was an easy one. I mean, as far as the drop off, the shopping was hard, but it's over. Let's move on. Got an offer from Uber Eats. I'm going to CVS and shop for 6 items. I'm going to get $12.06 for 4.8 miles. Whoops. I got the miles wrong. That's not, what is that good? Oh no, that's still good. Never mind, let's go. Okay, we made it to CVS. Let's park this car and go get this stuff. I thought this item that you're seeing on the screen was a sex thing, so I was over in the lubrication, the condoms and all that, but it's for snoring. Well, that took a while. but it's all done. And yeah, it was a lot of items I don't normally shop for, but I found them. We're gonna go 12 minutes from here, 3.8 miles. It's an apartment. It's a leave at the door. They can buzz me into the parking garage and then buzz me in at the door. Oh no. Oh no. It's gonna be a hard drop off. Right. Is this the parking garage? I have no idea what is going on. Let's see. So this is the parking garage. And there's nobody in here, but this is the parking garage. I see a level 1. But now where do I go? I see some bicycles. Let's see, L1. I'll just park right here next to the... I hope this is the right place to go. All right, I'm in. I gotta find an elevator. Here's the elevator. Level 2. Long hallway. Where are you? Customer buzzed me in. I was able to pretty much figure it out from there, and yeah, everything worked out fine. So something new. I always like learning something new, so that was that. Let's keep going. Got another one, and it's from DoorDash. I'm gonna go to oh, go away, Uber Eats. I forgot to hold on. Let me turn off my Uber Eats. I mean, yeah, go buy Uber Eats. $5.50 to go to Starbucks. 2-mile drive. Gosh, 4-minute drive, 1.8 miles. It's a house. Leave at my door. Thanks for delivering. It's okay to ring the bell and knock. All right. Put my hazards on. I'm gonna end up sitting in the street. Not that one. Is it this one? Yeah, yes, this one. Let's drop it off. Like doing ones where it's 18 and over. No, thank you. I got an offer from DoorDash. I'm going off to Eggworks. I'm going to get $7.50 for 3.7 miles. All right, we made it to Eggworks. Let's find a place to park and go get it. Alright, well, it's not ready yet, so I'm just going to hang out in here until it's finally ready, but I guess it's kind of busy today, so we'll see. Yeah, I got the order and it took about less than 10 minutes, but it seemed much longer. And now 9-minute drive, 2.6 miles. It's a house, it's a hand it to me. Oh, I think the app is taking me on a wild goose chase. Sometimes this navigation gets it so wrong. Have a good day. Thank you too. Man, I almost missed the entrance to get in here. It was going to take me almost a mile and a half out of my way. Hello.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you. All right, all done. On to the next one. We got something from Uber Eats. I'm heading on over to Sprouts. I'm gonna get $28.09 to shop for 16 items and drive 7.4 miles. We're at Sprouts. I'm gonna park it and then we're gonna shop away. Shopping is a lot of work sometimes. Sometimes they just don't have everything that you're looking for. It's like nothing you can do. 13-minute drive, 6.3 miles. It's a house, it's a leave at the door. Drop it. That wind is strong. It wants to drop the truck on my head. Make sure I close that. That's a hazard. Man, that was strong wind. It closed my hatchback almost on top of my head. Got an offer from Uber Eats to go to Albertsons, shop just for one item. I'm gonna get $7 and a penny for 2.2 miles. We made it to Albertsons. Oh boy, this guy can't drive worth a damn. I got an ad on $9.50, shop for 6 items for a little over a mile. Now I'm gonna need a cart. Oh man, this wind is freezing. First place we're going to is the pregnancy test. It's the first drop off, 0.6 miles from here. 3-minute drive, meet at the door, and I need a pin and it's a house. This one. Let's go drop it off and get that pin. Alright, that's all done. Next up, let's see, where am I going? 5 minutes, 1.7 miles. It's a house, leave at the door. Please ring the doorbell. An offer just came in, but I don't know if we got it. There's bad signal here. Oh, so I've got no internet and an offer came in, but I don't know if we got it or not. Can't tell you. I got something from DoorDash. I'm going to Matiki Island Barbecue. $10 for 4.3 miles. This is a new barbecue place I've never been to before. Wow, there's a lot of cars. I'm gonna have to park kind of far away. The restaurant was out of a dessert called Pani Popo. So they didn't know what they're new. Of course, it's a new restaurant, so everything is like confusing to them. So I contacted the customer, told them they didn't have that dessert item, and the customer responded with an okay, and that was it. And they said just let them know to contact DoorDash for a refund. And I'm like, they know that. They know if something's missing. They're like, I want a refund, so they'll have to get it from our good friends at DoorDash. I don't know what's going on here. Everyone's driving terrible. Alright, thank goodness that apartment was on the first floor. That made it really easy. And now I may take one more, I don't know. I really want to get this thing that I got at Sam's Club. I want to get a refund. But if it doesn't work out, if something really good comes in while I'm on my way to Sam's Club, I can always go to Sam's Club another day. I made it to Sam's Club. I'm turning off my apps. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye for now. Look, I'm here at Sam's Club. Look at what I'm returning. Chocolate. That's what I'm returning. So exciting.